Hi there, I'm going to take you through the new Stihl lawnmower today. I've got my trusted friends here, Ruby and Cookie, who are going to show you the new Stihl RME 235 lawnmower. So this is an excellent lawnmower, very lightweight, so easy to manoeuvre around. Electric, so with a long cable, so you can just plug it in. Plug it in, pull the cable, and then off you go. Grass box, large grass box that will fill up with grass. It's got an indicator on it to let you know when the grass box is full. Nice compact deck which will let you go into small spaces. It's got a height of cut here as well. Very good lightweight electric lawnmower for small gardens.